Whoosh.
I could go to a street takeover and drift better than 99% of people how I am right now.
But what are these?
Oh, that's...
Superior Court?
Yeah, no, that's a...
Search warrant?
Yeah. That's what you don't see the evidence tape? It's because I keep that thing on me. That blicky. And that powder. I always have that blicky and that powder. Yo, can you... I want some of mine.
Bro, drink it.
If I was able-bodied right now...
Bro, drink it. Oh, shit. He thinks he's hella fast. That's an old-ass dude.
The comments, like a lot of people are telling me that I need to post more foot content. I don't know what that even meant. And then I discovered, I was like, okay, they want me to do more stuff with my feet. Bro, I'm so nervous because you can't see anything after the jump at all. A little faster.
What if there's a car?
Bro, if there's a car, it's bad news. Oh my God, bro. Hey.
Oh.
Why'd you do that? It's not nice, man.
Bro, it's bad now.
Bro, I was gonna sell this after. Man.
I fixed it.
It's all good. That's not good. That actually looks better.
Oh, shit.
Who says you can't drift front wheel drive? This is a car trail, not a dog walking trail. What is this guy doing? Excuse us. Excuse us. So fucking upset. Why does he look so mad? Wait, so this... Huh. Armed robbery. Oh, that makes so much sense. It's like a nice little car trail. Is that a park? A car park?
Trying to hit some sets?
Yeah, I'm trying to hit some sets real quick.
Go. Is it nice?
What is this?
It's an outdoor gym.
I know, but it sucks.
Oh, that was clean.
Bruh. My meter. Bruh. How am I gonna sell this thing now? Wow. Not my Bondo.
Bro, we gotta get out of here, bro. Yo, that was bro.
Security, bro, we're screwed. Dude, that's so high off the ground. Jeez.
He's driving that bitch. It's actually way better. What the fuck?
It's a good car, man. Alright, I'm gonna drift this bitch a little bit before we dip. I mean, it still works. The wheel just kind of drags a little bit. But at Manji's super nice though.